Sherry, we have done a number of these iHealthTube segments on suntheanine, L-theanine. I have a question for you that maybe isn't about the therapeutic part of it, but it always really tends to amaze me that the information and the research that's here talks about a plethora of human problems for human beings. The doctors don't tell us about these. We don't see anything in the press about them. And why is that? Why aren't these simple solutions with basic products that are completely harmless available and understood by the general public?
Well, I think there are a number of reasons why natural products in general don't get as much attention as pharmaceuticals. Pharmaceutical products made by pharmaceutical companies have big budgets that they spend on promoting their ingredients and their products to the doctors, doing advertising. There's a lot of money spent on heavy promotion. And with these natural products, there are some significant advantages in terms of better safety profile. We have a lot of evidence, for example, with suntheanine. There have been a number of clinical tests done, but it doesn't always reach the mainstream doctors unless it's a patient, for example, that goes to their doctor and says, hey, I'm taking this great product called suntheanine. This is what it does. This is what I've learned about it. And that's why I always encourage patients, if they're taking natural products, to share that information with their doctor, to maybe help educate the healthcare professionals about what they're taking, what they're doing, the benefits. I think there's growing interest in natural products, but to take this and get the doctors on board is going to take some time for them to see the clinical studies, to have the time and the interest to really get involved and to support and spend their own time evaluating these products.
So we really need to be co-captains of our own healthcare teams.
Well, I think it's important for everybody to be in charge of their own health. Nobody should just aimlessly take prescription drugs or supplements without asking questions. When you're taking a prescription or a natural product, you want to find out what are the benefits with this, what are the risks, and what does the research show us? And sometimes you have to do some investigation on your own part. Now, I know as a pharmacist I value the importance of scientific evidence, and that's why the ingredients that I've talked about in my books and that we've talked about in some of these iHealthTube videos are ingredients that have been clinically tested, because I think that is critically important to us to understand the benefits and the safety profile with these products.
I couldn't agree with you more, and thanks very much.
Thanks for having me.